Honorable Kibagendi Anthony, the MP for Kitutu Churches South, the MP for this area where we are holding the medical camp. Today is an important day in our constituency. The first time ever we are having a proper medical camp where we have brought all partners from around Kisii, starting with the Kisii County government, Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital. We have Kenya Medical Training Colleges. We have Hema Hospital, Oasis Hospital, Bosongo, Kisii High Hospital, and the various other partners that you can see here. And we also have the National Hospital Insurance Fund, that's NHIF, and National Syndemic Diseases Control Council. All of us have partnered to organize this particular medical camp so that our people can be screened, our people can be treated on various ailments. Today is the World AIDS Day, December 1st. Today we are commemorating the day that the world decided that we must celebrate the progress we have made in fighting HIV and AIDS. Kisii County is one of the most affected counties in the region, and it is affected because it is a corridor, and our neighbors are extremely affected. That is Migori County, Homa Bay County, Kisumu County, and of course Siaya County. Kisii County is at 4.4%, Migori County is at 15%, Homa Bay County. So you find, and again, because our constituency is within town, you find that the infection rates are very high. So we thought it is prudent, we celebrate this day here. We create awareness amongst our people so that our people can be tested, can be screened, and those that are sick can begin the therapy, the treatment. Those that know their status, that are clean, they'll be able to protect themselves better. Beyond just HIV and AIDS, we have a problem with blood pressure in the region or hypertension. We have issues with blood sugar or diabetes. So our people are being screened here so that we are able to know their status in matters to do with blood sugar, so that they can begin getting into the regime of managing those particular diseases. A lot of our people become that have diabetes hardly get to know that they have diabetes until they are injured. When they have wounds that don't seem to heal, that is when they try to go for tests, and that is when they discover. So if you can be able to handle these situations early, this can help our region to reduce on the cost of that people spend on medical care. We also have NHIF that is telling our people to register so that people can be, wherever you go to hospital, you're able to be, you'll be treated, and your family members will be treated. So today NHIF is registering people and giving them information about the kind of ailments that NHIF can actually take care of when people are sick. And if you have terminal illnesses like cancer and even extreme terminal illnesses that you need specialized treatment, that you must go abroad. Most of us go to India or in the US. NHIF actually takes care of such costs. So we are requesting our people to register, we are requesting our people to be tested. You can go, even skin diseases, you'll be able to get necessary creams or medication that will be able to help you to heal. So we also ask the members of the media to create awareness, especially around issues to do with mental health. Mental wellness is one thing that we keep ignoring that has really affected our community. If you look at news, national news, you'll find that Kisii County, every time, you'll find that someone has gouged a child's eye, or a gentleman has killed his wife and children, or a woman has killed her children, and that happens because of mental health issues. And that is why we are saying we also have counselors here that will be able to give people who feel like they are not stable therapy. The other issue is on drugs and substance abuse. We are creating awareness, and we are those who are seeking treatment, who want to go to rehabilitation centers, we are willing to support. And NHIF is paying for their in-stay, for their bed, wherever they'll go for medical care in terms of rehabilitation.
Kwa kambu kushughulikia watu wetu wa Kisii County. Asante sana kwa kazi njema ambayo mnafanya. Nataka kuwapatia some shocking information about this sub-county ya Kitutu Chache South. Asa mangana HIV/AIDS, new infections. Wadako nyoro uredi kwa HIV/AIDS woniga. Imeye county ya Kisii. Siku ya leo imepangwa kwa ushirikiano wa Kisii County Government na mheshimiwa wetu hapa Anthony Kibagendi. Ukienda upimwe na upatikane uko na huo ugonjwa, hiyo sio death sentence. Siku hizi kuna mbinu mingi unajikinga nayo, kuna madawa yamekuja. Ukipatikana nayo utakunywa madawa na utaonekana kama kuna watu wamesaliwa na huo ugonjwa na saa hii wameishi miaka mingi na huwezi jua kama wako na hiyo ugonjwa. Siku hizi management of HIV/AIDS cases iko sawa, kwa hivyo tafadhali na wasii muende kwa ile tent mpimwe, na ukishapimwa utafanywa counseling na utakuwa sawa, utaendelea na maisha yao. Kwa hivyo hiyo ndio wito natoa mimi.